Hello, my name is Callum Jones. I go to Powerhouse Youth Club in Llanydyn and I'm in a competition to get a bike and yeah.
How did you hear about the competition?
I heard about the competition when the youth worker messaged me and said, would you like to be in a competition? And I said yes.
What made you want to enter the competition?
I just really want to enter a competition because see if I could win, see if I was lucky.
How did you find making the journal?
It was quite hard going back and forth every single month to write how my day was, but I got through it.
Would you recommend people to enter Cardiff Youth Services competitions?
Yes, because you never know, you can win.
What are your plans with the new bike?
My plans with the new bike is to go out with my family on a big bike ride, and yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.